toughest, most ruthless villains in all of Cityville. Robo-Arms. Rocket Shoes. And Hot Breath. The first place we hit is the bank. And with all of us, Hero Boy won't be able to stop us. Yeah!
If Hero Boy comes anywhere near us, I'll destroy him by launching a truck at him with the sheer force of my arms.
Yeah!
If I see him, I will blast into him full speed with the immense power of my rockets.
Yeah!
And I'll breathe a gaping hole into the ground until Hero Boy falls to his doom.
Yeah! And I'll have this very long coat. Now, when we first get in the bank, what is it, Robo-Arms?
Am I the only one who feels like the coat really isn't that helpful? I mean, we all explained what we would do in full detail, but
Bad guys always wear long coats. It's scary.
Can we keep going?
I guess.
Great. Then we have to get past the steel vault door.
With my arms, I can shatter the door to smithereens.
Yeah!
I can use my breath on the bank manager until he caves.
Yeah!
I can smash him through the roof, crushing everything in sight.
Yeah! And I'll walk in wearing this very long coat.
But before we begin, how does that help us in this situation?
Yeah, it's really just a coat.
A long coat.
Yeah, sure, the coat is awesome.
Have we discussed the length of the coat yet?
Yeah, man, you've mentioned it a few times. It's really long.
Great. Then let's move on. Now, it's possible Hero Boy will be waiting, so we'll need an escape.
Great! I can rocket us into the sky to safety.
Yeah!
I'll seal up the sewer with my breath.
Yeah!
And I'll barricade the door with cement blocks.
Yeah! Perfect. Then I will open my coat and...
Enough with the coat! What is so special about the coat?
Oh, I just realized you guys don't even know the true power of the coat.
Show
Yes!
us!
Check this out. I can make my coats even longer.
I think I'm gonna go.
Right behind you!
It's just a coat! I am so mad!
Wait, but I can make my coat even longer than